Listing your company is so much more than securing a new source of financing. There are many common strategic reasons why a company chooses to list itself on the stock exchange. Firstly, a listing can support the company's strategic direction and facilitate potential to grow and expand by way of raising of new capital. It enables the company to reach out to the market for future capital needs via further issuances of securities. It will also broaden the shareholder base, creating greater liquidity in shares and allowing any legacy shareholders to exit if they so wish. It enhances the public profile of a company, boosting visibility and increasing credibility, since listed companies are perceived to have a higher level of transparency and corporate governance practices. But most importantly, the promoters and shareholders of companies will be able to unlock the value of their shares based on market-determined valuations. In addition, it does provide greater access to capital, which can help with all of the above. So, once companies make the decision to list their shares publicly, there are 3 different platforms that can be used depending on their categorization. The main board for larger companies, Diri Savi for relatively smaller companies, Empower Board for small and medium companies. To promote the listing of local companies on the Colombo Stock Exchange, the government in its 2021 budget proposed a 50% tax concession for the years 2021-2022 for companies that are listed before 31st December 2021 and maintain a corporate tax rate of 14% for the subsequent 3 years. Listing on a stock exchange is a significant milestone in a company's journey. A host of professionals from different fields such as investment banks, issue managers, external auditors, legal counsel, the independent valuers, stockbroker firms, underwriters, the rating agencies for debt securities, and a public relations company guide and assist companies throughout this process. It is a rewarding journey with several different steps. First is the preparation of relevant documentation to meet all the laws and regulations. An external advisory team is usually hired to offer unbiased professional advice on how best to streamline the process and, if necessary, restructure the group. The team will also establish a listing timeline to help the company stay focused on task and complete the process as quickly as possible. The next step is to obtain approval for the listing of companies' shares from the CSC. If all goes well, the CSC will grant approval for the next stage of the process after reviewing the document. Listing on the CSC marks the start of a new journey. It offers incredible opportunities and countless possibilities. Are you ready to make the leap?